In this video, we are going to create our artboard or the plain white sheet where we are going to draw our bear. Normally, when you are drawing, you just need a single plain artboard to start your drawing. So to create that, go to File and then click New. You will get this new document pop-up window. You may either click on a profile such as Web and then select resolution of 1280 into 800. Actually, this doesn't matter. This just describes how large your artboard is. So give the name beer. Since I already have a beer Adobe Illustrator document, I'm going to name it beer 2 and select the PPI, that is pixel per inch. This defines the quality or the resolution of the image. So select it to high and click OK. We have got our artboard ready. Before moving to the drawing, we need to create some color palettes so that we can easily color after drawing our bear. So go to this tool and select rectangle. To view this mini pop-up window, you need to click and hold this button to view this. You can either press M on your keyboard or come here and select rectangle tool and then start creating rectangles or squares. To draw a square, you just need to press the Shift button on your keyboard. This will create a square instead of a rectangle. So even if you drag your mouse in any manner, you will always draw a square. So whenever you want to draw a proportionate shape, such as a perfect circle or a perfect square or an equilateral triangle or anything of a perfect manner, you need to press or hold Shift and then drag your mouse. So let's create one square and then go to Selection tool or press V. Now I wish to take a copy of this square. So I'm going to click this and drag this square. If I just leave my mouse, then this square will come here. But if I want to take a copy of this square, then I will just drag it as I did before, but I will also press the Alt key on my keyboard. In Mac, you may need to use the Option key. So press Alt key, then your mouse cursor will turn to a copy symbol. You can see it here, isn't it? So while holding Alt key, if you drag any shape, it will take another copy of it. So we have got one more copy of this square. Now select both, holding Alt key, take one more copy. Now select both and then take one more copy. Now we have got 6 squares. I wish to distribute them evenly. So select all, go to Align, and then under Distribute Objects, select Vertical Distribute Center. That's all. We have got all the 6 boxes distributed equally. So now I'm going to color these boxes. These colors are nothing but the colors that I'm going to use to draw this bear. You can even use the color swatches whenever you draw that particular shape. But this is some kind of a professional technique which every designer uses before drawing something. So first, let's color it with black. This black color is gonna come in the eyes and in the nose. Next, let's color this with R66, G33, B11. It's nothing but RGB or red, green and blue combination values. Select this brown. This brown we are going to use in the ears, the inner part of the ears. Next, select the third square and choose the left color to the previous color we have chosen. This is some kind of lighter brown than the previous one, which we are going to use in the head part, the background of the head. Choose the fourth square and choose the next lighter brown. This brown we will be using in the body part and the back of the ear. Now the next color we are going to choose is nothing but the mouth and the legs. So go to this square and choose R198, G156 and B109 brown color. This is kind of a light brown, or you can say it as a sandal. And then the belly part has got a gradient shade. So let's create that in this square box. Select it and then go to gradient tool or press G on your keyboard and come here and then select gradient or expand it. Now click on this gradient slider. You will get these two sliders. Double click on this white gradient slider. Come to color swatches and then choose the same color that we have chosen for mouth or leg. Now double click on this slider and select the second from the right. This brown we said we are going to use for the head part. That's it. We have completed selecting all the colors that we will be using in this bear drawing. In the next video, you will learn how to draw the head part of the bear.